Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Rizwana's Rasoi. I'm sure everyone would agree that the overwhelming flavors of any chaat comes from the chutneys used in it. So today I'm going to show you the two very famous chutney recipes used in chaats, that is the imli chutney and hara chutney. Let us check out the ingredients and get started. So first I'm going to show you how to make the imli ka chutney or khatha meetha chutney. For that I have taken 50 grams of seedless tamarind and have soaked it in warm water for an hour. We can now transfer this into a mixer jar and make it into a fine paste. Along with that I have taken 25 grams of seedless dates and have soaked it in warm water for 20 to 30 minutes. You can transfer this to a mixer jar and make it into a fine paste. So here our tamarind paste is ready. Make sure that you remove the seeds before grinding it. Here our date paste is also ready and we can now move on to prepare the imli chutney. Before using the tamarind puree that we had prepared, we need to pass it through a sieve in order to remove its impurity. So here I am going to drop in all the tamarind paste into a sieve and just gently press it down so that you can separate out all the tamarind pulp, leaving behind the impurities. Since the paste is very thick, I am adding a bit of water and filtering out the tamarind extract. This way I have removed and filtered out all the tamarind extract, and what is left behind in the sieve is just the impurities. So now we are going to use this tamarind extract to prepare our imli chutney. In a saucepan, I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil and to that I am adding 1 teaspoon of asafoetida. Stir it well. Next, add in the tamarind extract. Give this a good mix and wait for a boil before we add the next ingredient. Once this comes to a boil, I am going to add in the dates paste that we had prepared. The sweetness from the dates complements the sourness of the tamarind very well, and this gives the chutney an extra flavor. Dates will also give a very nice thickness to our chutney. Now our tamarind and dates mixture has come to a boil, and at this point I am going to add in 100 grams of jaggery. Always you need to take double the quantity of jaggery as compared to the quantity of tamarind that you are using. Instead of jaggery, you can also add the same amount of sugar. However, jaggery gives a better flavor to our imli chutney. Keep stirring till all the jaggery melts completely. As the jaggery melts, you will find the chutney becoming watery, but eventually it will thicken to the required consistency. This chutney can also be prepared well in advance and stored in the refrigerator. It can be stored for up to 2 to 3 weeks. This imli chutney is very commonly used in almost all the Indian street food and chaat recipes like Punjabi samosa, dahi balla, sev puri, ragda patties and so on. So preparing and storing this chutney will definitely come in handy whenever you crave for any kind of chaats. Let this chutney now simmer for some time till it thickens and reaches the required consistency. Make sure that the flame is on low, and now I am going to boil it for around 4 to 5 minutes. After boiling the chutney for 5 minutes, you can see that it has reached the perfect consistency, and now I am going to add some spices to it in order to enhance its flavors even more. First I am going to add a teaspoon of salt or as per taste. Salt is essential to balance out the sweetness and sourness from jaggery and tamarind. Next I am adding a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of ginger powder and a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, which will also give the chutney a nice color. Mix in all the spices. After adding in all the spices, I am now going to allow it to boil for one last time before we turn off the flame. So this is the required consistency. It is nice and thick and the color also is beautiful. Now I am going to add in some melon seeds before I turn off the flame. Our Khatta Meetha Imli ki chutney is ready. You can cool this down and use it immediately, or you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Next I am going to show you another variety of chutney recipe which is commonly used in Indian style street food and chaats, that is the Hari chutney or green chutney. For that I have taken a mixer jar and I am going to add 1 cup of coriander leaves and half cup of mint leaves. Next in goes 2 cloves of garlic, 1-inch piece of ginger, 3 green chilies. You can adjust this as per your taste level. Now grind all these ingredients with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Add salt as per taste. Now grind this into a smooth paste. Now I am adding a teaspoon of cumin powder, a tablespoon of lemon juice. Make sure you do not add much of water because this chutney is supposed to be thick. So I have given it one more pulse and our green chutney is now ready. So friends, our Halwai style or street style chutney recipes for different chaats is ready. Do give this a try and share your thoughts. Until we meet next time with yet another interesting recipe, is bye from Rizwana's Rasoi. Thank you for watching.